Hi, I'm Dean Taylor from Dejero. I'm a former patrol sergeant from San Diego County. Welcome to Dejero Tech Labs, where we connect the dots between the how and the why. Today, we're going to talk about antennas and the relationship between antenna type, antenna position, and antenna reception. Let's get to it. Each of our gateway products will require a different amount of antennas, but the type is strictly up to you. To help you choose, refer to the antenna reference guide for the gateway model you've purchased. This reference guide will show you exactly how many are required, the recommended position between the antennas, and the recommended antennas for your gateway device. If you use a single port antenna, it's just a simple one-to-one relationship between the antenna and the connection on the back of the gateway. If you use a dual port antenna, you must remember to always connect the specified pairs in order for the antenna to work properly. The most common factors influencing the type of antenna that you will choose are where the antennas are going to be located, what kind of environment you operate in, and the complexity of the installation. For instance, how many holes do you want to drill in your vehicle? Antenna position is an important factor for the performance of your gateway. If you don't carefully plan those positions, you're going to see performance impacted in two significant areas. Number one, bandwidth. Bandwidth is measured in megabits per second, or how much speed you get. And number two, connection. Connection is the availability of the signal. That's measured in received signal strength, or RSSI. That's whether you stay connected or not. Here are three common mistakes when installing your antennas. First of all, not connecting all of your antennas. Second, not following the manufacturer's recommendation for placement. And the third, placing the antennas too close together. Your careful planning and installation of those antennas leads to good reception and peak performance of your Dejero gateway. Unlike internal antennas, like those used in cell phones or tablets, gateway devices are designed to use external antennas, which provide added flexibility of selecting the best antenna type, choosing the best antenna position, and creating the best reception. Imagine having fast, reliable connectivity anywhere you go. In the field, I can tell you firsthand, it's more important than it ever has been. Dejero products make that happen the first time, every time. Thanks for watching Dejero Tech Labs. We'll see you next time.